One full year of saving money taught me more than any book or lecture. Today, I'm sharing the real lessons that actually changed my life, so you can start improving yours faster. 1. Small savings matter more than you think. I used to believe that saving only works if you save large amounts, but 1 year proved me wrong. Saving $1, $5, or $10 at a time is powerful. It builds discipline, it builds consistency, and it adds up faster than you expect. After 12 months, I realized saving isn't about the amount. It's about the habit. Small steps, blue results. 2. Tracking every taka or dollar changes everything. Before, I didn't know where my money was going. Food, random shopping, subscriptions, it disappeared. So I started writing down every expense, even the small ones. Instantly, I saw the truth. I wasn't broke. I was spending blindly. Tracking made me more aware, and awareness changed my decisions. If you don't track your money controls you. Once you do, you take control. 3. Emergency funds are not optional. In 1 year, life hit me with surprises. Sudden bills, broken phone, medical costs. Without an emergency fund, these things become disasters. But even saving a little every week builds a safety net. And when emergencies came, I didn't panic because I had prepared for them. This was one of the biggest lessons. 4. Saving is easier when you have a goal. Saving with no purpose feels boring, but saving for something, a new phone, a camera, a trip, a course, it becomes exciting. A goal gives your money direction. It reminds you why you're making sacrifices today. When I added goals, saving turned from hard to motivating. 5. Money saved equals freedom. The biggest lesson after 1 year, saving money is not about being cheap. It's about freedom. Freedom to say no. Freedom to take opportunities. Freedom to avoid stress. Freedom to live on your own terms. Every dollar saved gave me a little more control over my life. And that's what saving really gives you: choices. 1 year of saving changed my mindset, my habits, and my confidence. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. If you want more money tips and real-life lessons, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video.